my name is Sam Clark, and I want to cover with you a little information about Wealthy Affiliate. I mentioned Wealthy Affiliate before, but I want to talk some more about this. If you're looking for a way to make money at home, and you're frustrated, you're tired of all the junk out there and the scams out there, then I highly recommend you check out Wealthy Affiliate. They've been around now for 12 years. They've trained over 1 million people on how to make money from home through affiliate marketing. It's a phenomenal platform. They have everything you could possibly ever need to get started your business and to do it right. So put away the scams, put away the junk. Business isn't built in a day. You have to go get an education. You have to learn how to do things online. You can't just throw stuff up there and hope for the best. It isn't going to work, and it's not going to last. And whatever you're involved in, typically they're not going to be around long either, if that's the way they market and they tell you how you're going to make money. So let me go over real quick and give you a quick overview of Wealthy Affiliate and what's back here. This is my dashboard right here, some things that are going on. People are talking. It's a super active community. And I want to mention that that's one of the most important facets of this, is that you get to connect with other people, follow other people, make relationships, get all the help you need. There's nothing worse than being at home and running into technical issues and not having anybody to talk to or know how to do something. You can come in here 24/7 and find people and talk to them live and get help with whatever you need and whatever you're trying to do. When you get started, you want to add your image up here. So I've got my image set up in the corner, description of who you are. You want to get started on the training and set some goals for yourself. That's how business is won. You make goals, you set goals. So when we look on the side over here where my cursor is, we get started here. And I've just started on this aspect. I'm working more on the affiliate end of it. But here is a step-by-step training on how to get started, building your traffic to your website, making money, mastering social engagement, and achieving maximum success through content creation. As you can see, the amount of training in here is really going to take you from a beginner online to really understanding everything of how to make money online. The training is by far the best you're going to find online. You can get started with Wealthy Affiliate for free, get a little touch of each of the training, get a couple websites for free, and get access to the platform to get just a touch of what's going on. And when you see how awesome it is, you can upgrade to a premium member. If you do that within your first 7 days, you can upgrade for $19 for the first month, and then it's like $49 a month. The beauty is they have a built-in affiliate program, so you can share this with other people who are frustrated and tired of being scammed and are looking for a legitimate way to make money online. And you can share this program with them and get paid to do it. So one of the goals I set was to get a few people involved and get my membership paid for, and then I don't have to worry about paying each month. That's a great initial goal, and what I highly recommend getting started. So I'm going to go over a little bit of it here. We've got a live chat aspect where you can talk to people online and get help right away. There's always people in here. It's awesome to have a community of people that care about what you're doing and to help you out. The affiliate boot camp, what I was talking about, it's getting your business. If you want to focus on working with the affiliate marketing aspect within inside of Wealthy Affiliate, there's a wealth of training in here to help you do that. I'm going to go in here to the keyword tool. Whenever you're working online and building a website, you've got to market that website. You've got to build content for it. You don't just build any content. You have to understand that. You have to know what keywords to go after and how competitive they are. Like if I tried to go after the keyword affiliate marketing, forget it. I'm never going to rank for that. There's millions of websites already. But stuff like best affiliate marketing training, now that's doable. I did a piece of content recently, put up a quick video, and I got ranked on the second page literally within a couple of minutes. So there's ways to do things and ways not to do things to get your traffic. And by understanding keyword research, you'll have a much better possibility of getting in front of the people you want to get in front of. Additionally, the site Rubex, this is much more than just a training platform. You got the keyword tool I just showed you. You get up to 50 websites of high-end hosting that are built into this through your site manager. You get a site builder where you can build your website in a matter of seconds. They have over 3,000 templates you can use. It's just one click and install, and then begin building out your site. They show you and help you. And the other thing is, I've been with a lot of hosting. This hosting is super fast, and that's a huge component today as far as Google ranking your website, and also people's usability. If they have to wait for your site to load, they're not going to. People's attention span is too short. So you have a beautiful site builder built in. You can also find, register, and manage your domains here. They've got an amazing content writing platform, which I'll do a separate video on, but it's just amazing because it ties directly in with your website. So as you're writing content, and it has one of the best grammar and spelling checks that are around. It'll check all your content to make sure it's professional looking and written well. Then you can one click and launch it off to your website. You can get comments to your website. You can make comments on other people's websites within inside of the Wealthy Affiliate, and they'll come and comment on yours to help get communication and engagement going on your website. People love that. People look to see if people are commenting, and if they are, they figure, hey, this is a legit site. So it's a great way to do that. When you build out a website, you can also get site feedback on what's good, what's not, what needs to be done, what people like, what they don't. That's a great aspect too, to see what people think, because you got people in here that are highly skilled, making a lot of money, and it's great to get feedback from them. Site support, you get technical support. Literally, when you're a premium member, your support's done in 5 or 10 minutes. If you have an issue, it's getting answered. It's awesome. I've used it and it works great. So that's a quick overview of Wealthy Affiliate. Again, join for free today. Get started. Come in and get touched with some of the training. Go build a website. You get for 2 free. Start playing around and learning how to really build a business online, and put away the crap. You will be one of the big things. I'm going to talk about this in a different video about passion, following your passion. That's what you really want to focus on long term, to build a business around something you love, because you're going to have to write for the web. And so if you're in your passion, you'll be able to write a lot easier. Anyways, join for free today. Get started, go through some of the training, interact with people, make sure you do your 4 steps across the top when you get started, and be serious. This is a serious business. This ain't some, pie in the sky, make $1 million next week. This is a legit business you build. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside. I'll be here to welcome you and introduce you to some people as well, and help you however I can. Have a great day.